Hey everyone, my name is Amna, and you are watching Amna Unfiltered. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's reshaping the very fabric of creativity and innovation: generative AI. Imagine a world where your ideas can be transformed into reality, not in days or hours, but in mere seconds. From painting picturesque landscapes without ever touching a brush, to composing symphonies without playing a single note, generative AI is not just a tool, it's a revolution in the making. As we stand on the brink of this technological renaissance, it's essential to understand what generative AI is and why it's poised to become a cornerstone of our future. This technology, based on the most advanced forms of artificial intelligence, learns from vast amounts of data, absorbing information just like a human would, but at an exponentially faster rate. It then uses this knowledge to generate new content, be it text, images, or even music, that is original and creative. Why is this important, you ask? Because it opens up unimaginable possibilities for individuals and industries alike. For creators, it means augmenting their creativity, pushing boundaries beyond traditional limits. For businesses, it translates to unparalleled efficiency and innovation, crafting targeted content that speaks directly to the audience's needs and desires. Consider the impact on the design industry. With generative AI, designers can instantly generate multiple prototypes, experimenting with colors, shapes, and materials in real time, all tailored to customer preferences. Or in healthcare, where AI-driven models can predict patient outcomes and assist in developing new treatments tailored to individual genetic profiles. But it's not just about automating tasks or speeding up processes. Generative AI is about enhancing human potential, enabling us to explore new horizons and solve problems in ways we never thought possible. It's about personalization, where each user experience can be uniquely crafted to fit individual preferences, making every digital interaction more engaging and meaningful. As we explore this topic today, we'll uncover how generative AI is not just a tool of the present, but the key to unlocking a future brimming with potential. Whether you're an artist, a scientist, an entrepreneur, or simply a curious mind, the implications of this technology affect us all. It challenges us to rethink creativity, redefine innovation, and reimagine what we can achieve when human ingenuity meets artificial intelligence. So, stay tuned as we embark on this exciting journey, exploring the depths of generative AI and its transformative impact on our world. Let's unleash the power of AI and discover how it can elevate our lives, making the impossible possible. Welcome to a new era of creativity and innovation. Welcome to the future, and it's more thrilling than you can imagine. Innovation and creativity. In the realm of generative AI, innovation and creativity are not merely byproducts. They are the very essence of what makes this technology transformative. As we delve deeper into the capabilities of generative AI, it becomes evident that it's not just a tool for creating. It's a partner in the creative process, redefining the boundaries of what's possible and expanding the horizons of human imagination. Imagine stepping into a world where your creative impulses are not limited by your technical skills or the resources at hand, where an idea can flourish and materialize into reality through the simple act of describing your vision. Generative AI is turning this fantasy into reality, acting as a catalyst for creative minds across the globe. Artists, writers, designers, and creators of all kinds are finding that generative AI can act as a bridge between their imaginative concepts and their physical execution. Consider the artist who dreams of painting landscapes that evoke the emotional depth of Van Gogh's Starry Nights, but has never learned to hold a brush. Generative AI can translate their visions into stunning visual pieces, learning from the styles of countless artworks to render something beautifully unique. This is not about replacing the artist, but rather about amplifying their creative expression, allowing them to explore artistic realms that were previously out of reach. Moreover, this technology democratizes creativity, making it accessible to all. It breaks down barriers to artistic expression, ensuring that anyone with an idea can see it come to life, irrespective of their background or training. This is particularly powerful in a world where access to education and resources is still uneven, opening up new avenues for people to express themselves and contribute culturally and artistically. In film, directors and screenwriters can utilize generative AI to visualize scenes before they are shot, experimenting with different settings, lighting, and camera angles, all generated by AI to represent their vision. This not only enhances the creative process, but also makes it more efficient, providing creators with multiple options to choose from and refine. Beyond the arts, generative AI fosters innovation by encouraging a culture of rapid experimentation. In business, marketing, and product development, teams can use generative AI to generate ideas, simulate outcomes, and predict trends. This allows them to be daring in their creativity, testing out concepts that would otherwise be deemed too risky or resource-intensive to explore. It brings a level of agility and experimentation to industries that were once bogged down by lengthy development cycles and conservative decision-making. The significance of generative AI in driving creativity also lies in its ability to learn and adapt. Every project and every piece of feedback helps it to refine its understanding and performance, making it an ever-evolving tool at the service of human creativity. This learning capability means that the potential of generative AI is not static. It expands as it is used, growing more capable and more intuitive, better able to anticipate and respond to the needs of its human partners. Furthermore, the collaborative potential between humans and AI opens up new forms of creativity that are born from this partnership. It challenges traditional notions of authorship and creativity, inviting us to reconsider the role of the creator in the digital age. This collaboration can lead to hybrid works that are neither fully human nor entirely machine-made, but are instead a new form of artistic expression that incorporates elements of both. In essence, the role of generative AI in fostering innovation and creativity is profound and multifaceted. It is not merely a tool of convenience, but a profound collaborator that enhances, democratizes, and accelerates the creative process. As we continue to explore and harness its capabilities, we are likely to witness a significant transformation in how ideas are conceived and realized, making the act of creation more inclusive and expansive than ever before. Thus, as we stand at this crossroads, it is crucial to approach generative AI with a sense of openness and curiosity. The potential for innovation and creativity facilitated by this technology is limited only by our imagination and our willingness to embrace new ways of thinking and creating. With generative AI, we have the opportunity to redefine creativity, pushing beyond traditional boundaries and exploring new creative landscapes that await us in this exciting and evolving digital frontier. Efficiency and automation. As we embrace the transformative power of generative AI, we unlock a new era of efficiency and automation that is reshaping industries and redefining the way we work. The influence of this technology extends far beyond simple mechanization. It augments human capabilities, streamlines processes, and catalyzes the realization of ideas at an unprecedented pace. The implications for productivity and innovation are immense, promising a future where our ambitions are no longer constrained by time or traditional workflows. Imagine a scenario where tedious tasks that once took up the bulk of our productive hours can now be completed in moments. Generative AI serves as a powerful ally, taking on the laborious, repetitive tasks that can drain creativity and enthusiasm. This shift does not just free up time, it liberates human potential, allowing individuals and teams to focus on strategic thinking, creative problem-solving, and high-level planning. The result is a workforce that is not only more productive, but also more engaged and satisfied with their work. In sectors like healthcare, generative AI is revolutionizing patient care by automating administrative tasks such as data entry and appointment scheduling. This allows healthcare professionals to spend more time where it matters most, with their patients. Moreover, AI-driven diagnostic tools can analyze medical images with a level of precision and speed unattainable by human eyes, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. The cascade of benefits is clear: improved patient outcomes, enhanced efficiency, and a significant reduction in the risk of burnout among healthcare workers. The realm of finance also demonstrates the profound impact of AI in automation. Here, generative AI transforms data analysis, managing real-time data streams to identify trends and anomalies that would elude even the most diligent human analysts. This capability enables faster, more informed decision-making, minimizing risks, and maximizing returns. Banks and financial institutions employ AI to automate risk assessment, loan approval processes, and even fraud detection, ensuring more secure and efficient operations. In the creative industries, the narrative is equally compelling. Generative AI automates the generation of content, from writing marketing copy to designing graphic material. This not only accelerates production, but also allows for rapid iteration and customization to meet audience preferences and feedback. Marketing campaigns can be dynamically adjusted, and content can be finely tuned to resonate deeply with different segments of the audience, enhancing both engagement and effectiveness. Moreover, the role of generative AI in software development exemplifies automation's potential to accelerate innovation. AI algorithms can write code, test software, and even debug programs, reducing development cycles from months to weeks or even days. This rapid turnaround is crucial in a tech-driven world where staying ahead of the competition often hinges on the ability to innovate quickly and efficiently. But the benefits of automation extend beyond professional spheres into the daily lives of individuals. Generative AI can manage personal schedules, suggest meals based on nutritional needs and taste preferences, and even automate home systems for energy efficiency. These applications make life smoother and more efficient, allowing people more time to focus on what truly matters to them, whether it's spending time with family, pursuing hobbies, or investing in personal growth. Importantly, as we integrate generative AI more deeply into our workflows and routines, we also encounter a pivotal opportunity for learning and adaptation. The technology's introduction into various sectors drives a shift towards more agile methodologies and processes, prompting organizations and individuals alike to become more adaptable, proactive, and forward-thinking. This cultural shift is perhaps as significant as the technological one, as it promotes a mindset that is open to continuous learning, experimentation, and innovation. Furthermore, the efficiency and automation brought about by generative AI are not merely about doing things faster, they are about doing things better. By reducing errors, enhancing precision, and allowing for unprecedented levels of customization, AI tools are setting new standards of quality and performance across fields. This elevation in quality does not only lead to better products and services, but also to higher standards of safety, reliability, and customer satisfaction. As we continue on this journey, it is crucial to approach the integration of generative AI with a balanced perspective. While the benefits are substantial, we must also navigate the challenges and implications associated with such transformative changes. These include addressing the ethical considerations, managing the impact on employment, and ensuring that the benefits of AI-driven automation are distributed equitably across society. In conclusion, the second pillar of generative AI's impact, efficiency and automation, is not just about enhancing productivity, it's about enriching human experience and potential. It challenges us to rethink our roles, refine our skills, and reimagine our possibilities. As we harness this technology, we are not merely keeping pace with the future, we are shaping it, creating a world where our creative and professional aspirations are bound only by the limits of our imagination. Personalization. In a world that increasingly craves personalized experiences, generative AI emerges as a transformative force, redefining the essence of customization. This technology doesn't just adapt to the user, it anticipates needs, tailors interactions, and delivers experiences that resonate on a deeply personal level. As we explore the monumental impact of personalization driven by generative AI, we begin to see a future sculpted by the desires and preferences of each individual, offering a uniqueness previously unimaginable. The power of personalization is profound, influencing everything from consumer behavior to individual satisfaction. Imagine a digital landscape where every piece of content, every product recommendation, and even every customer service interaction is tailored specifically to your preferences and past behaviors. This isn't the future, it's what generative AI is making possible today. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI models can predict what you might like to watch, read, or purchase next with astonishing accuracy. This capability enhances user engagement and satisfaction, driving loyalty and value in a way that generic content and services cannot match. In the realm of e-commerce, personalization revolutionizes the shopping experience. Online retailers equipped with generative AI can offer personalized shopping experiences that go beyond mere product recommendations. They can customize the entire user interface based on a shopper's behavior, past purchases, search patterns, and even the time they are most likely to shop. This degree of personalization not only makes shopping more enjoyable and efficient, but also increases the likelihood of purchases by presenting the most relevant, appealing choices to each individual shopper. Moreover, the impact of generative AI in personalization extends to the entertainment industry. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use AI to analyze your viewing or listening history, providing tailored recommendations that keep you engaged for hours. But imagine going a step further, creating customized movie endings, music that adapts to your mood, or even interactive books where the story changes based on your preferences. Generative AI can create these dynamic content pieces that respond to the user's emotions and choices, making each experience uniquely satisfying. In education, personalization through generative AI could mean the end of one-size-fits-all learning models. Educational platforms can use AI to tailor the learning experience to the pace and style of each student. It can generate custom tutorials, practice problems, and even interactive content that addresses specific learning gaps for each student, making education more effective and engaging. As students interact with the material, AI continuously adapts the curriculum to challenge them at just the right level, enhancing their learning outcomes. Healthcare also stands to benefit immensely from personalization via generative AI. AI can help develop personalized treatment plans by analyzing a patient's genetic information, lifestyle, and past health records. This approach not only improves the effectiveness of treatments, but also minimizes side effects by tailoring interventions to the individual's unique physiological profile. Furthermore, AI-driven apps can provide personalized health advice, fitness routines, and nutritional plans that are specifically designed to fit each user's health goals and conditions, making preventive care more accessible and effective. But the benefits of personalization are not limited to consumer services. In the workplace, generative AI can personalize training programs and career development plans for employees, aligning them with both the individual's aspirations and the organization's needs. This not only boosts employee satisfaction and retention, but also maximizes workplace productivity by ensuring that all training is relevant and engaging. As we harness the power of personalization through generative AI, we also encounter the opportunity to deepen human connections. By understanding and catering to individual preferences, AI can help create more meaningful interactions, even in a digital space. Whether through personalized emails that feel genuinely engaging or virtual events that cater to individual interests, AI can enhance the sense of connection and community across digital platforms. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The capability of AI to personalize requires handling vast amounts of data, raising critical questions about privacy and security. It is imperative that as we develop these AI systems, we also prioritize ethical standards and data protection to ensure that personalization does not compromise individual privacy. In conclusion, The impact of generative AI on personalization is not just about enhancing experiences, it's about transforming them. It allows us to interact with technology on a more personal and meaningful level, creating a world where technology understands and adapts to us, rather than us to it. As we continue to explore and expand the capabilities of generative AI, we pave the way for a future that values individual preference and promotes customization at every turn, making every digital interaction more engaging, satisfying, and uniquely tailored to each person. This is not just the future of technology, it's the future of personal experience, crafted one interaction at a time. Problem solving, in the intricate tapestry of modern challenges where complexity often overwhelms human capabilities, generative AI emerges as a crucial ally. This technology isn't just a tool, it's a revolutionary force capable of generating multiple solutions to the most complex problems we face today. With its profound computational power and advanced algorithms, generative AI offers new perspectives and innovative solutions that were previously unattainable, pushing the boundaries of what we can solve and how we solve it. Imagine facing a problem so complex, it baffles experts and defies conventional solutions. Now, envision generative AI stepping into this scenario, not just with one, but multiple innovative solutions, each designed to tackle the problem from a unique angle. This is the power of generative AI. It transforms problem solving into an expansive, creative exercise that explores possibilities beyond human intuition. In industries like environmental science, generative AI is used to model climate change scenarios, predicting outcomes of various environmental policies and their impacts on different ecosystems. By generating detailed simulations, AI allows scientists and policymakers to visualize the consequences of their actions in advance, leading to more informed, effective decision-making. It's a game changer in our urgent fight against climate change, providing a multitude of strategies to mitigate adverse effects and adapt to new realities. Healthcare is another area where generative AI's problem-solving capabilities shine brightly. Here, AI algorithms help in designing new drugs by predicting how different chemical compounds will interact with the human body. This process, which could traditionally take years of trial and error, is significantly expedited by AI's ability to quickly generate multiple hypotheses and test them in virtual simulations. The speed and efficiency brought by these capabilities are not just impressive, they are life-saving, accelerating the development of new treatments for diseases that require urgent attention. The field of logistics also benefits immensely from generative AI. Supply chain optimization, a complex puzzle of routes, timings, and resources, becomes more manageable as AI models generate numerous configurations to find the most efficient solution. These AI-driven insights help companies reduce costs, improve delivery times, and increase overall efficiency. The ability to solve logistical challenges swiftly and effectively is crucial in a globalized economy where time and resource allocation have direct implications on success and sustainability. Furthermore, the realm of cybersecurity illustrates how generative AI is indispensable in crafting solutions to protect data and systems. Cyber attacks are increasingly sophisticated and unpredictable, but generative AI can simulate potential security breaches and generate defensive strategies. This proactive approach to cybersecurity keeps systems safer by staying ahead of threats, continuously learning and adapting to new challenges. In urban planning, generative AI offers solutions to enhance livability and sustainability. By analyzing data on traffic patterns, population density, and public facilities, AI can generate urban development plans that optimize space utilization, improve traffic flow, and enhance accessibility. These plans are not just theoretical, they are practical, tailored solutions that can transform cities into more efficient, more enjoyable places to live. Generative AI's ability to solve problems extends to the business sector, where it helps companies navigate market complexities. By generating predictive models, AI helps businesses anticipate market trends, consumer behavior, and potential disruptions. This foresight allows companies to strategize effectively, optimizing operations and aligning products with consumer needs ahead of time. But it's not just about solving problems. Generative AI also fosters a culture of innovation by encouraging a continuous loop of feedback and improvement. Each solution generated becomes a stepping stone for further questions and better answers, creating a dynamic environment where learning and development are constant. However, as we embrace the vast capabilities of generative AI in problem solving, we must also consider the ethical dimensions of its application. Ensuring that AI driven solutions do not exacerbate inequalities or compromise ethical standards is paramount. We need robust frameworks to govern AI development and deployment, ensuring that the solutions it offers are not only effective but also just and equitable. In conclusion, the transformative impact of generative AI in problem solving is undeniable. It opens up a world of possibilities, where challenges are met with not just one solution, but many, each crafted with precision and ingenuity. As we harness this powerful technology, we are equipped to tackle the complexities of modern life more effectively and creatively. Generative AI doesn't just help us solve problems, it inspires us to reimagine what's possible, pushing humanity forward in our quest for knowledge, efficiency, and sustainability. This is more than innovation. It's a new era of enlightened problem solving, where every challenge is an opportunity to evolve and excel. Accessibility. In our interconnected world, accessibility to information, resources, and services is a cornerstone of societal advancement. As we forge paths into new digital realms, generative AI emerges as a powerful tool, not just in creating and innovating, but in making these creations accessible to a broader audience. This transformative aspect of generative AI extends beyond borders, languages, and physical abilities, enhancing lives and democratizing access to knowledge and opportunities. Imagine a world where language is no longer a barrier to communication, education, or access to information. Generative AI has the power to bridge linguistic divides, translating text instantly and accurately between languages, allowing people from different parts of the world to connect, collaborate, and understand each other without the need for intermediaries. This capability isn't confined to textual translation. It includes real-time speech translation, opening doors to live conversations between individuals speaking different languages, facilitating more inclusive interactions and exchanges. Furthermore, consider the impact on education. Generative AI can customize learning materials for different educational levels and learning styles, making high-quality education accessible to students regardless of geographical location or socioeconomic status. It can generate interactive and adaptive learning tools that cater to the needs of diverse learners, including those with disabilities. For instance, students with visual impairments can benefit from AI-generated content that is automatically converted into Braille or audio formats, while those with hearing impairments can have access to real-time captioning and sign language translation, all facilitated by AI. The potential of generative AI also extends into the realm of healthcare, where it can help break down accessibility barriers. AI can analyze data from a variety of sources to provide insights that would typically require the expertise of specialists who may not be available in underserved regions. This can lead to more accurate diagnoses and tailored treatment plans that are accessible remotely, reducing the need for travel and making essential healthcare more accessible to rural and remote communities. In the professional world, generative AI is leveling the playing field by providing smaller businesses and entrepreneurs with tools that were once the domain of larger corporations with significant resources. From automated legal assistance and business advice to sophisticated marketing tools and financial services, AI enables smaller entities to compete more effectively, fostering a more equitable business landscape. Generative AI also plays a crucial role in making cultural content more accessible. Museums and historical sites, for example, can use AI to create virtual tours that are rich in detail and personalized to the interests of each visitor. This not only enhances the visitor experience, but also ensures that people all over the world can experience cultural and historical treasures, regardless of their ability to travel. Moreover, accessibility through generative AI is not just about translating existing content, but also about creating new, inclusive content that considers the needs and preferences of a diverse global audience. This includes generating media that is designed from the ground up to be inclusive, such as video games that adapt to the physical abilities of players, or ebooks that are automatically formatted in ways that support various learning disabilities. Yet, as we embrace the vast possibilities of AI-driven accessibility, we must also address the challenges that come with it, such as ensuring the privacy and security of data and avoiding bias in AI algorithms that can perpetuate inequalities. It is essential to approach the development and deployment of generative AI with a commitment to ethical standards and inclusive practices to ensure that its benefits are truly accessible to all. In conclusion, the role of generative AI in enhancing accessibility is transformative and far-reaching. By breaking down barriers of language, disability, geography, and socioeconomic status, it opens up new worlds of possibility for individuals and communities globally. This technology not only connects us to information and services, but also to each other, fostering a more inclusive, informed, and interconnected world. As we continue to explore and expand the capabilities of generative AI, we are not just witnessing a technological revolution. We are participating in a movement towards a more accessible and equitable future for everyone. Data synthesis. In the digital age, the demand for data has become insatiable, permeating every sector of society. Yet, the availability of clean, diverse, and ethically gathered data is often scarce or mired in privacy concerns. Generative AI emerges as a beacon of potential in this context, offering a groundbreaking solution: the ability to synthesize realistic and varied datasets. This capability is not just a technical advancement, it's a strategic asset that propels research, innovation, and application across industries, democratizing data access and accelerating progress. Imagine a world where the constraints of data scarcity no longer stifle innovation. Generative AI allows us to model complex data scenarios without compromising individual privacy or relying on hard-to-obtain real-world datasets. In healthcare, this means AI can generate synthetic patient data that mirrors real patient demographics, medical histories, and disease progression without using actual patient records, thereby preserving confidentiality and complying with stringent regulations like HIPAA in the US. Researchers can use these datasets to train diagnostic tools, develop treatment plans, and advance medical research, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in patient care and treatment efficacy. In autonomous vehicle technology, the safety and efficiency of systems heavily rely on the diversity and volume of driving data available. Generative AI can create varied driving scenarios, including rare or dangerous conditions that are difficult to collect in the real world, such as severe weather events or unexpected road obstructions. By training on these comprehensive synthetic datasets, autonomous systems can learn to handle a wide range of situations, greatly improving their reliability and safety before they ever hit the road. Moreover, consider the potential in the field of cybersecurity. Here, generative AI can produce synthetic network traffic data that mimics various attack vectors and anomalies, allowing cybersecurity professionals to develop and test defense mechanisms in a controlled yet realistic environment. This proactive approach not only enhances the security posture of organizations, but also prepares them to counteract threats before they manifest, safeguarding sensitive data and infrastructure. The power of synthetic data also extends to the realm of finance and banking. Generative AI can simulate financial markets under various conditions, providing companies with a wealth of hypothetical economic scenarios. This capability enables financial analysts and economists to test predictions and prepare more robust financial strategies without the risk of destabilizing real markets or exposing actual client data. In the entertainment industry, the impact of synthetic data is transforming content creation. Generative AI can produce new scripts, storylines, and even virtual actors, offering a canvas for creativity while reducing the costs and time associated with traditional content production. This can democratize media production, allowing smaller creators to compete with large studios and giving rise to a new era of diversity in entertainment. The implications for education are equally profound. With generative AI, educational content can be dynamically generated to fit the curriculum needs and learning styles of students worldwide. Synthetic data can model complex scientific processes, historical events, or mathematical problems, providing students with interactive and comprehensive learning materials that enhance understanding and retention. However, as we champion the benefits of synthetic data, we must also navigate the ethical terrain it presents. The creation and use of synthetic data must be governed by strict guidelines to ensure accuracy, representativeness, and non-bias. It's crucial to continually refine AI models to avoid perpetuating existing biases or creating new ones, ensuring that the synthetic data produced upholds the highest standards of fairness and inclusivity. In conclusion, generative AI's capability to synthesize data revolutionizes our approach to information limitations, opening up new avenues for research, development, and application across diverse fields. By generating high-quality, diverse, and safe data, this technology not only accelerates innovation, but also enhances our ability to make informed decisions and solve complex problems. As we continue to explore the vast potential of generative AI, we are not just observing technological advancement, we are setting the stage for a more informed, equitable, and innovative future. This is a transformative journey, reshaping how we understand and interact with the world through data, and it is a journey that promises to elevate our collective potential to unprecedented heights.